Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, ngayon po, magpra-practice po tayo ng tinuro ni Jerome sa akin. At pre-practice ko po to ng 2 days. Turo! Turo! Mauuna po ko guys.
Ako naman, guys. Watch and learn. Magkakaman.
Make it a nice one, and I want it now.
Wait daw guys. O yan, nagulit. Nagulit po, nahulog na naman. O wait ulit daw. O natumba. Ako, papatagalan ko to.
Right now on the dangers of fried food.
Joke lang.
Obesity, cancer, cardiovascular disease. But when you're alive,
Wait.
live the big steps.
Wait.
Fix this living
Ayan, ayan na.
intense facial.
Natatawa ako kasi kanina eh. Kapo.
I need to show mine downstairs. You gotta enjoy life while you can.
Ha!
Big steps, you live such a stressful life.
Stressful?
Wait.
For this family. And now you're lecturing me.
Whoa. I wouldn't say. I just think relaxing once in a while helps you tense up better later. It's easy to look up
Ako
the whole
naman.
new world to you. What do you say?
Here, Master, your brother.
O yan na.
Smells so good.
Support power!
Kamote. Kuya, isa pa ulit.
Oh.
Here,
Lang.
try this too.
Oh, guys! Hadro!
If you don't eat it, I'm gonna eat it all.
Kamote ka nga eh, pero... Tuk lang.
Smells so good. It's actually kind of
Oh! Ay, mali. Wait lang daw, guys. Nay?
Sayang ay tagal na.
Yun. Yeah! Kakamali ako dito. Yeah!
Ulit. Wait.
Not yet. I
Ano?
was late today.
Ano yung
It's
may?
time to eat.
Aming ngongo.
Over.
Oh! Tagal.
Rar!